Hi, this is Marites Macapagal from HR Training and Professional Development. Today I would like to show you the use of autofill in Excel. What is autofill? Autofill feature in Excel is used to automatically fill a series of numbers, dates, and text using fill handle. Fill handles can be dragged down, up, or across a spreadsheet. Autofill can automatically complete series. So autofill can fill data that follow numerical data pattern. It can also fill in days of the week series. It can also fill in months of the year, fill in alphanumeric series, fill in dates, and it can also copy cell content. If it is able to fill and copy, then it can also delete content of cells. Let me show you how. Here's a worksheet in Excel. As I've mentioned, it could fill the data that follow numerical data pattern. Notice in this worksheet, I have series of number under column B. I have 500 and the next number, which is 1000. Now, so obviously there is an increment of 500 between these two range. So I would like to use the fill handle to be able to complete my series having the increment of 500 in between. So I have mentioned in the selected cell or range of cell, if you look at the lower right hand corner of the cell, there you go, you will see a tiny box at the corner. That tiny box is what you call the fill handle. If you move your mouse or hover your mouse on top of that tiny green box, your mouse will turn to a black tiny cross. Now you could execute the autofill series command by clicking and holding down your left mouse button and drag it down slowly to the next cell. Notice there is like a preview of 1500 as I drag it down, 2000, 2500, and 3000. If I let go of my mouse, you see how it completed the series with an increment of 500. However, in the value in C3, where I have 500, and I will complete the series of this value of 500, if I position my mouse handle on a single cell, my mouse is on top of the fill handle. When I click and hold my left mouse, notice as I drag, it will just give me 500 in the series. Remember, I've mentioned before. Now take a look at this autofill option. If you click on the drop down arrow on the autofill option, what it did is my autofill handle did not fill in the series, but it copied the cells. Because remember, that's one of the options that you could actually select. And that's one of the use of the autofill handle, not only to fill the series, but to copy cell. So in this case, it copied the cell. If I click away, that will accept my entry. Now on the next series in D3, again, I have the value 500. If I put my mouse again on the autofill handle and click and hold my left mouse and drag it once more down to the next cells, if I let go of my mouse and if I select my autofill options, instead of copying, I would like to select and fill the series. Notice it will fill the series with a default numerical increment of 1. So it will be 500, 501, 502, 503, 4, 5, and so forth and so on. Another use of the fill series is to fill in the months of the year series. So in my worksheet, I have the heading months in A2, and in A3, I have the month of January. So if I would like to complete the series for the month of the year, if you position your mouse pointer again on the fill handle, click and hold your left mouse. Notice how it will complete the series from January up to June. And if I drag further, it will complete until the month of December. If it complete the series of the months of the year, it could fill in days of the week series. Notice in A1 I have Monday. If I use my fill handle, click and hold your left mouse and drag until you have Monday to Sunday. When it reaches Sunday, if I continue to drag, it will repeat the series from Monday back to Sunday. Now, I want you to take a look. So I started A1 with the whole word Monday. What if I abbreviated the day of Monday as MON? Notice how the autofill will also follow exactly the same pattern. Everything will be the days of the week, but also abbreviated. That's a very beautiful feature, isn't it? Autofill can also fill in text series. Look at my heading in B2, District 1. So if I have District 1, the other district could be District 2 and District 3. So if I use my fill handle, if I click and hold my left mouse on the fill handle, and if I drag to my right, then it will complete my alphanumeric series or text from District 1 to District 3. Do you know that autofill can also fill in dates? Look at my worksheet. I have May 5 as my current day or date. If I use the autofill handle and drag it, notice how it will fill the day series. Now, I want you to pay attention also to the autofill options. And in here, I could make sure that it is filling the weekdays, filling the days right there, weekdays. There you go. Notice how it jumped from 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 is a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 9 and 10 are Sunday, Saturday, and Sunday. May 11 is a Monday. Remember, I selected fill weekdays. If I selected fill days, it will give me May 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. What if I select fill months? It gave me May 5, June 5, July 5, August 5, September 5, October 5, November 5. I could also complete a series to fill the year series. So if my date is May 5, 2020 for this year, and I use the fill handle to complete the series annually, and in my option I selected fill years, so it gave me May 5 of 2020, May 5 of 2021, and so forth and so on. You can also complete date series with increments. Look at the example that I have. May 5, 2020. Today's increment of 2 days, May 7, 2020. So if I use my autofill handle, notice how it actually complete my series with the 2 days increment series. Now at the end, after completing all this fill handle feature, you know that the autofill handle could, if it can complete or copy, it can always delete if you made a mistake. So notice these are my completed fill series. If I put my mouse handle again on the fill handle and drag it upward, backwards. Did I delete my series? Yes, I definitely did. So I hope this tip can actually help you work more efficiently. Once again, this technical tip is brought to you by Marites Macapagal from HR Computer Training. If you have any question or assistance in using this feature, please feel free to send us an email to e-consult. Thank you so much. Bye.